What's up, it's James Canzanella, your Affiliate Hero, and in today's video training, what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to get approved for affiliate marketing networks, programs, offers, whatever it's going to be. And the reason I'm doing this is because not too long ago I actually did a video when it comes to affiliate marketing mistakes. And the first one was affiliate application idiocy. And what that means is that a lot of people say some of the dumbest things when it comes to, promoting offers as an affiliate. I want to make sure that you avoid those mistakes. So I'm going to actually walk you through the process of something I would recommend to say. First and foremost, I'm just going to be using a random example as Max Bounty. I'm already a part of them, but I just know they have an application process. And also, this is going to be very important because in your affiliate marketing career, there's going to be times where you need to sign up and register. Sometimes, offers and programs and networks are going to be lenient. Sometimes they're not going to be. They're going to be a little bit more difficult, a little bit more strict upon what you say, your experience, and so on and so forth. But using these tips in this video is going to help you out when it comes to getting getting approved so they can actually promote more affiliate offers and so on and so forth. So without any further ado, let's dive right on in. Let's go to affiliates. Let's go to become an affiliate. Okay, this is what we were waiting for. And probably, I'm not sure if I'm going to go back and delete that other stuff. If you see there's a big jump between basic info and all the way to experience, that means I just skipped all this because none of that matters. That's your own stuff. So what is your experience? This is the meat and potatoes of this. I'm a complete beginner. I have a little bit of experience, but I've never received a payment from a network. I have some experience and have received at least one payment, and I'm extremely experienced to have received many payments. When it comes to this, don't lie. Rule number one, they're going to see right through it. And if you say you're extremely experienced and you've made all these payments, and then let's see if they, your website, they're probably going to realize that. Okay, so if you're a complete beginner, I would put this, I have a little bit of experience. Even if you haven't done a lot of affiliate marketing, but you haven't received a payment, having a little bit of experience is going to go better than a complete beginner. A complete beginner is going to be what's a squeeze page? What's a landing page? How do I send traffic? If you can't answer those questions, you probably are, but these are pretty self-explanatory. I'd probably go with this one if you have a little bit of information and you've never received a payment. So describe your past experience in affiliate marketing. So what have you done? If you haven't done a lot, then maybe you are a complete beginner. But if you do have a little bit of experience, something you can say I've promoted offers on ClickBank through, let's say, YouTube videos, video reviews, and have generated close to 100 hops, which is links. You could just do clicks, and on the verge of making my first few commissions. Okay, something like that. Okay, this isn't all that bad. You've talked about that you have a little bit of experience, but you haven't received any commissions. But this also shows that you've at least done work. You're using some type of platform, and you're an action taker, and you just haven't seen the results yet. If I was someone on the other side, say this isn't that bad. This person is trying. They're not showing that they're willing to promote the offers on 100 different spots, which is a big red flag. Okay, and this isn't all that bad. I would recommend something like this. I hope a ton of people don't just use this exactly. I've seen that a lot. That's another really big mistake I kind of want to bring up. On Instagram, I have a page that's about 181,000 people, and I can't tell you how many copy-paste messages I get, and it's people all wanting the same thing. And what they'll do is they'll get a template and they'll just copy it word for word, and it's just complete crap because everyone just spams it out there. Anyone who does that, I pretty much never respond to ever. It's just ridiculous. So make sure you're not copying templates. This is just a word of advice. Obviously, if this is your case, it would be really weird if a lot of people started posting the exact same thing. And if you did that, it's a good chance you're lying in the first place, which is breaking rule number one with this. So make sure you're upfront about that. This was just a random example and something that's, pretty good. So how do you intend to promote offers? As I currently am through YouTube videos. You can see my channel right here, okay? And then, post a link to your channel. Let them know that you at least have some type of experience or whatever. What offers are you looking for? Okay, so what would be the niche of your, YouTube video? It could be, internet marketing. Usually you don't want to put internet marketing, weight loss, pills, potions, vacations, email signups. What else is out there? I don't know, any other thing. Usually if you have like a YouTube channel and a website, it's going to be good that a lot of this is targeted and very similar. Okay. So you could do like internet marketing, / biz op. That's kind of similar. Okay. Website URL, it's going to be very helpful if you have one. If you don't, it's not going to be the end of the world, especially if you're doing YouTube videos. You could put like, I don't have one yet, but I do have like YouTube videos. It is going to be good that you have one. Okay. Like if you want to be an affiliate marketer and you don't have a website, like that's your problem. You need to fix that immediately. It costs like $10 to get a website. It's even less. So make sure you put your URL in there. But if it's something that's unrelated, you could say like, this is, site, this is just my, main blog. If it's different, so they know like, this could be different from all those. And obviously how you intend to promote is going to be up to you. It's not always going to be through YouTube videos. It's not always going to be through SEO or your email list, but whatever it is, make sure you only talk about one or maybe two ways of promotion. I talked about this in the previous video, but I want to bring it up again because it's very important. If you say something like this, I intend to promote offers through my blog, YouTube videos, AdWords, Facebook ads, Facebook group, email marketing, Twitter profile, Twitter ads, LinkedIn ads. It's just like there's no way you're going to do all of that. The whole jack of all trades, master of none type of thing right here. Usually people have their crap together with affiliate marketing, like really laser focus on one thing, maybe two. And it's usually going to be email lists because that's a good sign because they have an audience. And then maybe, to go along with my YouTube videos. And they'd have no problem, putting like a channel there and their, what's it called? Right here, website URL down here. Okay, so is this account for incentivized traffic? I would say no. And if yes, describe the incentive. Okay, usually not going to be doing that and enter at least 50 characters, but this should give you a good idea of what you should type in here and what you shouldn't. Okay, first and foremost, be very honest with this. If you put this and then you put something that completely contradicts you having experience, they're going to notice that right away. Okay, so keep that in mind. This is going to be up to you, obviously, depending on what you are, but make sure you're upfront and honest. When you say something like, I have a little bit of experience, and then you say like, yeah, I'm promoting offers on ClickBank through YouTube videos, reviews, and I've received, like 100 clicks, no commissions yet, but I'm just, I'm still working on it and I'm enjoying the process, something like that. And then you actually show them, through my YouTube videos, and you can see my channel right here. Okay, and then add a link to your channel. Okay, and aside from that, even if you didn't have a website, you could say like, a YouTube channel could probably get the job done. If you put something like this, just my YouTube channel so far. Okay, at least this would be upfront and honest. They see that you're doing work, you're putting in the action. All of this matches up. You have a little bit of experience. They notice you're doing review videos. They have a good amount of views. They're catching on, and everything lines up. I don't see how they could reject you unless they're being extremely strict. Okay, and aside from that, I remember with Max Bounty when I first started, I didn't have a website. I want to bring that up. That was many years ago. I don't know how things have changed, but what I actually did was that I remember I was very upfront about it and I was very forward. And what I did is once I submitted it, I pretty much like emailed them. I don't know if I might have called them or whatever it was. I did whatever I could do to get either on contact with them with Skype, with email, with phone, and want to let them know that I was interested in promoting, even though I didn't have a website. I think at the time I did have a YouTube channel, and I was good to go. I was upfront and I was honest. It was all the advice I'm giving you right here. Okay, so that should pretty much wrap it up. In a nutshell, be honest. A lot of times affiliates aren't. They want to seem like they're, have all this experience just so they don't have to go through the feeling of being rejected. Being rejected with affiliate programs, offers can happen sometimes. It's not a big deal because guess what? There's about 1 million other offers out there to choose from. When you have that scarcity mindset where if you don't get into one specific network, you're never going to make money, it's probably not going to work out too well. So hope you enjoyed this. And aside from this, if you do want to actually bypass a lot of the process of trying to get approved to affiliate networks, if you're not looking to promote some of the lower ticket offers and you'd like to actually get into the higher ticket offers, I would recommend that you check out the training down below. That's really going to help you out because like I said, for the majority of the part, you can actually bypass a lot of the getting accepted or getting denied process because not every affiliate offer has that. You can see which types of offers are going to help you out with that. And you can also promote those high ticket items where you can actually earn bigger commissions. So in case you want to just bypass this section for the time, that's going to be up to you, but I would highly recommend it. You can get up and running quicker and make bigger ticket commissions, but you got either way to choose or you can do both. All right. So I am James Canzanella. Thank you for watching. Go ahead, check out the training down below. I know you're going to love it. Hope you have an awesome day.